Now the bulb will glow. Repeat the experiment with cotton, thread, rubber band, paper strip, and aluminium wire instead of copper wires, and observe whether or not the bulb glows in each case. Liquid conductors. Not only solids, but also liquids such as molten sodium, mercury, etc. are good conductors. Electrolysis. The chemical reaction caused by electric current is called electrolysis. Electrolysis is possible only if ions are present in substances. Acids, bases, and salts in solutions or fused state are electrolytes as they contain positive and negative ions in them. But substances like sugar, urea, glucose do not conduct electricity either in solution or in fused state. Take a beaker containing water mixed with a little dilute sulfuric acid. Immerse 2 carbon, that is, graphite rods into this solution. Connect the 2 rods to the 2 terminals of a battery through an electric bulb using copper wires. The bulb glows. You will notice that bubbles of gases are liberated at the 2 carbon rods. Electrodes. The electrode connected to the positive pole of the battery is called the anode, while the other one connected to the negative pole is called the cathode. Electrolysis of acidified water. Water acidified with dilute sulfuric acid undergoes electrolysis. This is carried out in the apparatus shown in figure. It has 2 platinum electrodes. When an electric current is passed, 2 volumes of hydrogen are formed for 1 volume of oxygen. Sulfuric acid produces H plus and SO2,4 ions. Water produces a cathode, small number of H plus and OH minus ions. When the electric current is switched on, the positively charged H plus ions reach the cathode. Each H plus receives an electron from the cathode and forms a hydrogen atom. H plus plus E minus gives H. Hydrogen atoms do not normally exist alone, and pairs of atoms unite to form hydrogen molecule. 2H gives H2. Applications of electrolysis. Electroplating. Iron articles such as gas stove, cycle parts, door handles, etc. are chromium plated. Ornaments made of copper are silver plated or gold plated. How is such plating carried out? The process of depositing a superior metal like gold, nickel, or chromium over a metal like copper, iron, etc. by the use of electricity is called electroplating. For example, in the silvering of a copper spoon, the anode is made of silver, the spoon winding as cathode. The electrolytic bath is a solution of potassium argentocyanide. Under the influence of current, silver from the electrolyte gets deposited on the article spoon, and an equal amount of silver metal dissolves from the anode into the bath. Usually, copper sulfate is used as electrolyte for copper plating, nickel ammonium sulfate for nickel plating, and double cyanides of potassium and silver or gold for silver or gold plating. The plate metals forms smooth, uniform, and strong layer on the article. This layer protects the article from corrosion and wear and tear. Electrolytic refining. When a metal of high purity is required,